Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get floating sidebar of favorite contacts list in any Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Contact Edge Sidebar. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will ask you some permission to enable. So just click on this enable contact sidebar option. Click on OK. Now just turn on this contact sidebar. Move back. Now you can see one horizontal bar is appearing on the right side of your screen. So if I click on it, now you can see you need to select a context. So if you want to resize this sidebar, you can just drag this option. Below you can see the thickness. You can increase or decrease the thickness, and you can increase or decrease the transparency depending upon your needs. And even you can change the gesture color also. You can set it to transparency color also depending upon your needs. Now you can select the sidebar color also, or you can set it to transparency. And below you can select the context by clicking on this option. Click on allow. Now you can select the respective context that I want to add on this floating sidebar. So I've added two contexts, and below you can select the number of columns that you want to show. And below there is a style, so you want it rounded or square or circle. So three options are there, and you can show or hide the contact name also, and you can select the text color of the respective contact names, and you can directly call to the contact. So I'll just keep it as it is right now. So once you're done with your settings, you can just minimize it. Now let me click on this floating sidebar that I have added on the right side of my screen. So you can see here it's showing up. So let me click once again. So you can see it's working perfectly. So by using this cool application, you can easily get floating sidebar of favorite contacts list in any Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.